Hi guys, it's Sharon Hartley from My Keto Journey, and we are live. It has been quite a while since I've done a live video. A lot has been going on since I did my last live video, which I think was a cooking video all over Christmas time. I've had a tragic death in our family, and we've just been dealing a lot with that, a lot of emotions. And I have been sticking with keto, but not as strict as what I would like. I really understand that grief is a part of the process of losing someone, and sometimes we fall back into old patterns. We find food as our comfort, so we tend to eat the comfort foods such as the chocolates or the sweets or whatever makes us feel good at the time. Now, I do have a lot of protein bars, that kind of thing, so I've been eating quite a fair bit of chocolate protein bars, probably too many, but you know, that has been my comfort, and in this time I have just needed something to get me through. My mum and I were doing well with everything that's happened, and we've tried to make time out for ourselves. So I actually got my hair cut, and I quite like it shorter. It's quite short now. Got our nails done, and we went and seen a movie, and just things that relax us because the cortisol levels are really skyrocketing high. The stress has been just overwhelming. But through all of this, we have gained a really loving church family, and they have given us so much support and encouragement. And without them, I just don't know how we would have got through all of this. But I'm just making this video because I want to tell you that if any of you are going through a rough time, it doesn't have to be a death. It could be you maybe struggling at work, struggling financially, struggling with family, struggling in your marriage. Just process it. Just breathe in and breathe out, and just take time out for yourself. Now, if you are religious like my mum and I are, we find that our solace is in God, and He is the great Almighty Healer. But do what makes you feel less stressed, and just focus on the future. Get back on track. If you've slipped up, if you've eaten something you shouldn't, just get back on track, because these trying times do happen in our life. High carb days are going to happen. You can carb cycle. You can do one higher carb day in a week. It will get things moving again. I have been in a slumber where I've gotten so far to my 30 kilo, 70 pound loss, and then I've just decided, well, look, I'm going to have a higher carb day. So I had a higher carb day, and things have moved along. I'm really happy where I am for the time being, but I know that I have a long way to still go. So we still all need to motivate, encourage each other. We have so many new members. We're almost at 700 members, which is so exciting. Never did I think when I started this group that I would be helping so many of you. And I've actually met quite a few of you in my journey to Australia, and I love each and every one of you, the ones that I have met face to face and spent time with. And I'm so happy with your weight loss and your journey, and your friendships too really have meant so much to me. And yeah, so I just wanted to just pop on quickly and just tell you that, yeah, I'm still here. I still look in the group. I'm still around. So if you have any questions, you can tag me. That's fine. But yeah, just just keep on track. Emotions can get the best of you, but find someone that you can talk to. You're not alone. We all struggle. We all have our struggles. We've all been there. We've all been there at the beginning. And just know that, yeah, we're going to get there. We're going to get to the end. We're going to get to the end goal. And we're going to be healthier. We're going to be fitter. We're going to look great. We're going to feel good. So many great things can come out of keto and low carb. So you have so much to look ahead. Just keep looking ahead. Just keep looking at that path of where you're going. And don't fall back. Just keep on going. Just keep on running. Just keep on running that marathon, because it is a marathon, guys. It is not going to happen overnight. It is going to take time. It's taken me 11 months to get to 70 pounds, 30 kilos off. It's just taken a longer time than I thought. But it's not about the time. It's about the journey. So just enjoy every minute of the journey, because life is short and we have to live each day as if it's our last, and we live for eternity. So we just want to treat our bodies with goodness, because our bodies are a temple, and we want to treat them good. So keep keto, keep moving, keep that water going, keep active, keep your mind stress-free. Do things that you love doing, things that relax you, and the weight it'll come off in its own time. So guys, I hope that you all are doing well. Give me some love in the comments below. Let me know how you're doing. I'd love to see updates. I haven't seen updates from a few of you in quite a while of seeing updates. So yeah, I just wanted to update you on where I was at and what's going on. In another 2.5 weeks, I am heading back to the States. I'm very sad to leave. Because I've just loved every minute of my time here. Every minute has been precious. Every minute I have cherished and treasured. And, I'm happy and excited to see my husband that has been without me for 3 whole months. So I'm sure he's not going to let me go. I'm sure he's going to hold me tight, which, I really am looking so forward to. But just treasure your family, guys. Just love them more. Don't take any time with them for granted. Don't take each other for granted. Just love them. Tell them that you love them. And, forgive one another. Forgiveness is the key to life. Because like I said, life is short. We need to take care of our health. But, yeah, in the end, it's the glory of God. So I hope that you're all having a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. And I will see you soon. Take care, guys. Keto on. Bye.